Guys, a couple minutes later, we got the F-150 started. Let me show you guys what I found. I ran this high-speed CAN wire all the way to the PCM, and I tapped it in right here because remember I told you guys we got really high resistance, which shows really high resistance, showing us something shorted out. So this is my wire. Ran it all the way and tap it into the OBD2 port where we got high resistance. So there you go, the F-150 is now started. What I'm gonna have to do is cut the wire back here for the high-speed CAN, cut this wire for the high-speed CAN right here, and somehow eliminate the one that's shorted and run a new wire, guys. So good thing we figured it out. It was the wiring issues, not the PCM. Now it's communicating, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This was a headache, guys. Please subscribe. I'll catch you guys. Peace.